The suspense of a government formation in Jammu and Kashmir following the hung verdict in the assembly election continues. PDP, the single largest party, and BJP, the next big outfit, kept their cards close to the chest. Asserting that it has several options, the BJP on Thursday said that it will play a crucial role in government formation in the valley. Finance Minister and BJP Central Observer Arun Jaitley revealed that legislators have authorized Party President Amit Shah to decide the future course of action on government formation. He added that the party's formula for government formation will be based on three principles: development, strengthening India's sovereignty, and maintaining regional balance. Without revealing the strategy, the minister said the party was in touch with unattached members but described as inaccurate reports that it was in discussions with other party leaders in the state.
पहला देश की एकता सॉवरेनिटी, दूसरा डेवलपमेंट विकास और तीसरा रीजनल बैलेंस क्षेत्रीय संतुलन। इन तीनों आधारों के ऊपर पार्टी अपनी भूमिका निभाएगी। Some inaccurate reports have appeared. Therefore, I would only urge you not to go by reports which are not accurate.
Though Jaitley is denying reports of meeting National Conference leader Umar Abdullah, Congress is refusing to accept the claim.
हमने तो पीडीपी को पहले ही बता दिया है कि हमारा समर्थन जब भी चाहें तो हम जाहिर है हम बीजेपी को तो कभी सपोर्ट करेंगे नहीं। हम अगर करेंगे सपोर्ट तो हम पीडीपी को ही सपोर्ट करेंगे।
PDP too cautioned BJP over the meeting that never was.
You have to worry about there has been a negative mandate for his party in Kashmir Valley, and there has been a positive mandate for the BJP in Jammu. There has been a positive mandate for the People's Democratic Party in the Kashmir Valley.
Meanwhile, People's Conference leader Sajjad Lone indicated his party's support for BJP.
LCM, if you call it, is the HCF is the BJP, because they have the purse strings, they have the power, they are at the center, and this government, this place needs massive investment, and PDP or NC is not in a position to create out of thin air any investment. That will have to come from Delhi.
In the 87-member House, PDP bagged 28 seats, BJP got 25 seats, National Conference 17 and Congress 12. Any coalition of parties will need to have at least 44 seats to be able to form the government. In such a scenario, all parties are hoping to play a key role in forming the next government in the state. Bureau Report, DD News.